So what I'm going to show you now is how to use the highlights and notes tools that are featured in the toolbox on the right hand side. I scroll down to highlights and notes. What I can do is I can highlight any information that helps answer my research question. If we remember, my research question is, how did religion influence Queen Elizabeth I's reign? So if I highlight this, I can add notes to anything that I highlight. This isn't necessarily something that I would need to highlight, so I'm going to delete. If I'm looking for something for my research question, one thing I can do is I can hit Control F and I can type in religion up in the top corner, and it'll take me to different places where it talks about religion. I could also type in Protestant. And it highlights everything that says Protestant, or I could type in Catholic, because those were the two main churches of the time. If I go ahead and read some of the information, I can read, after their father's death in 1547, Edward took the throne. At the time, Europe was feeling the effects of the Protestant Reformation, which split Christians across the nation between Catholic Church and Protestant faith. So this, I could highlight this because it's pertinent to the research question. I can highlight it and I can add notes. And I can write the note saying, during this time, the nation was split between Protestants and Catholics. So it's very important to know what Queen Elizabeth, what the religion layout was during that time. I hit save, and then I would go ahead and continue highlighting and taking notes. Once you're done doing that, if you click send to Google Drive, it'll send it to Google Drive with all of your notes and everything. So I'll have all the highlights and I'll have all of the notes that you took. The notes will be at the bottom of the actual document. So I want you to go ahead and start taking annotations of the document that you're looking at, to take notes and to see how that article relates to the topic that you're working on.